Hello and welcome back to another episode from How to Webmaster. It has been almost 1.5 months since I've published a new video right here. The last one was posted on July 29, 2021. Now let's check out my stats. And as you can see here, my last video published one video back in July 29, and then nothing else after this. As you can see down here, there's no more video icons that shows you new video published for that period or that date. So nothing after here for 1.5 months, and the views is still pretty consistent even with no new videos. Now let's check out the earnings. It probably has gone down just a little bit. Now let's take a look at the last 3 months. So in July, almost 700 for that month, and then at the end of that month, no new video was published. Now in August, from 700 down to 625, and now almost halfway through September, about 200. It'll probably be about 250 by September 15th. So even if you decide to take a little break from YouTube or a long break, your video views and earnings may go down just a tad bit, more or less, but it's not like it's going to go down to zero overnight. So even if you take a little break, go on vacation, your videos will still be earning you passive income. And that's one of the great things about having or making money off of YouTube. Anyways, I hope this video helped. Don't be afraid of taking a break or a long break. Alright, thanks for viewing.